would you look at that? Here I got a ceiling vent. You can see up in there. That's all that insulation on it. Very dusty. Well, the problem is, you see here the screw hole ain't gonna hold nothing. That's the same with the other ones around the four sides here. So here's the vent that goes up there. Like so. Okay. Something like that. So it's, you know, pretty heavy. It's metal. So we don't want that falling on anyone. So it's been sitting there for about a year on the floor while I figure this out. I get time to figure it out. What I've done is I've taken this little piece here. This is just a drywall. I don't remember what they call it. It's basically a channel. It goes on the edge of the drywall, and I'm putting it around all four edges here, as you can see. I already did these three, and that'll give me something to screw into. So I'll do a little pilot hole and screw up into there, and that's gonna hold it in place. So I just gotta put the last one on and see where we go from there. Alright, so this here is the louver that goes inside. It's pretty nasty. I'll be replacing it at some point here, but for now I'm going to use it. In fact, it's even broken. He's supposed to have a knob on the end of that white piece there, but it don't. So we're going to put this up in here. I need to get my two hands going. Alright, what's that, boy? Zip it now, alright? Daddy's on video. Alright, so I had to persuade it in there, you know, with a hammer, of course. So it's in there now. You can see what I'm talking about now. So the screw hole overlaps right there. So I'm going to mark those holes, do a little pilot hole, and that should be it. And it's in there nice and snug now, which is, I guess, another benefit. Man, look how nasty that thing is. Like I said, I'll be replacing it, but this being a bathroom, you know, it's got moisture and whatnot. So anyway. Hold on 1 second, I'll be back. Alright folks, there it is. Alright, I only had 3 screws. Couldn't find the 4th one, but it'll do. So, ought to make the wife happy. I mean, she's been hounding me for a good year on this one daily. So finally got it done. And that's going to hold up there real nice. Alright, I'll see you next time. Later.